In this video, you will learn how to hide your name on PayPal. If you're looking to hide your name on PayPal, you have limited options, but here they are. First, change your display name for transactions. Log in to your PayPal, go to the PayPal website and log in with your credentials. Then, go to the settings, click the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. Then, click on the account settings under account tab. You'll find a section for your name. Then, edit your name. You'll be able to change your display name for account. The second method, use PayPal's privacy settings. For personal transactions, you can make your nameless during payment transactions, enabling the private setting for transactions. This is in your settings. The third option, using PayPal in friends and family mode. For personal payments, you can choose friends and family option. This does not give out your name. Option 4, change your PayPal email. In some cases, if you use an alternate email as the main contact, it will hide your real name. The email can sometimes serve as a form of privacy when sharing payments. Option 5, business account option. If you operate a business, you can set up a business PayPal account, then use the business name rather than your personal name. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.